In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a transcript from a YouTube video and import it into NotebookLM. This is a simple and efficient way to manage and utilize the content from your favorite videos, especially when taking notes or referencing specific information later on. So, let's dive right into the process, which is straightforward and easy to follow. First, you want to start by opening the YouTube video from which you need the transcript. Ensure that the video is accessible and that you're logged into your account if necessary. Once the video is open on your screen, direct your attention to the area directly below the video player. Here, you will find various options such as like, dislike, share, and more. Among these options, you should see a button labeled Show Transcript. Click on this button. The transcript will now appear on the right-hand side of your screen, displaying the entire script of the video. You might notice that the transcript is presented with timestamps, but don't worry, we can easily handle that. Simply click and drag to select all of the text from top to bottom. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut, which is usually Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac, to quickly select everything. Once you've highlighted the desired text, the next step is to copy it. You can do this by right-clicking on the highlighted area and selecting Copy, or by using the shortcut Ctrl+C on a Windows system or Command+C on a Mac. With your text now copied, it's time to open NotebookLM. Head over to your NotebookLM account and navigate to the section where you can create a new note or text source. You should see an option to add or create a new note. Click on that. This will open a blank page or a dialog box where you can begin entering new content. Now, in this blank space, you want to paste the transcript you just copied. Again, you can right-click in the space and select Paste, or use the quick shortcut of Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste the text. Finally, it's crucial to give your new note or text source a clear and specific title. This makes it easier to locate and reference in the future. A good practice is to name it after the YouTube video, as this will help you quickly identify it among your other notes. And that's it. You've successfully transferred a YouTube transcript into NotebookLM manually. This method works well because you're directly copying the text, ensuring that you get the exact content you need without relying on automation that might miss details or formats. This reliable and straightforward solution is perfect for organizing and accessing the information you find valuable efficiently. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.